If you're buying a laptop for video editing, graphic design, 3D rendering, or AI-powered creative work, you've probably narrowed it down to two options: Apple's new M5-powered MacBooks or Intel Core Ultra laptops. Both are incredibly capable, but they're designed with different priorities. So, which one actually makes more sense for creators in 2026? In this video, we'll compare performance, memory, displays, battery life, and software compatibility to help you choose the right machine. Let's start with performance because that's what most creators care about. Apple's M5 family, including the M5 Pro and M5 Max, continues Apple's focus on high-performance ARM-based computing. Built using TSMC's latest manufacturing and advanced chip packaging technologies, these processors deliver impressive CPU performance while consuming remarkably little power. One of Apple's biggest strengths is how tightly the hardware and macOS work together. Tasks like exporting 4K or 8K video, applying complex effects, editing raw photos, or processing AI-based features feel incredibly smooth because the CPU, GPU, and neural engine are designed to work as a single system. The M5 Pro and especially the M5 Max also include hardware-accelerated ray tracing, making them far more capable in professional 3D rendering and graphics workloads than previous generations. On the Intel side, Core Ultra Series 3 processors, based on Panther Lake, bring significant improvements over earlier Intel chips. They combine high-performance cores with efficient cores to deliver excellent multi-threaded performance while improving battery life compared to older Intel laptops. Intel also integrates powerful ARC graphics with hardware ray tracing and dedicated AI acceleration through its built-in NPU. For applications optimized for Windows and x86 architecture, performance is excellent, especially in software development, engineering applications, CAD, and certain professional creative tools. Memory architecture is where the differences become much more noticeable. Apple uses unified memory, meaning the CPU, GPU, and neural engine all share one pool of ultra-fast memory instead of copying data between separate memory systems. On the M5 Max, memory capacity goes up to 128 gigabytes with bandwidth reaching around 614 gigabytes per second. That enormous bandwidth becomes especially useful when working with large video timelines, high-resolution RAW files, multiple camera streams, or complex motion graphics. Because every processor shares the same memory, tasks like rendering, AI image generation, and real-time playback become much more efficient. Intel Core Ultra laptops typically support up to 96 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory, depending on the manufacturer. While the bandwidth isn't as high as Apple's unified memory system, Windows creators still benefit from plenty of RAM for demanding workloads. Applications like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Blender, Autodesk software, and many engineering programs perform exceptionally well, especially if paired with a dedicated NVIDIA GPU in larger creator laptops. If your workflow lives primarily inside Final Cut Pro or DaVinci Resolve on macOS, Apple's unified memory offers a noticeable advantage. But if your work depends on Windows-specific applications or GPU-heavy rendering with NVIDIA CUDA, Intel systems remain highly competitive. Displays are another area where both platforms shine, although they approach it differently. Apple's MacBook Pro continues to feature the excellent Liquid Retina XDR Mini LED display with factory color calibration, outstanding HDR brightness, deep contrast, and adaptive 120 Hz ProMotion refresh rate. For photographers, filmmakers, and colorists, it's one of the best laptop displays available right out of the box. Intel Core Ultra laptops, however, offer much more variety. Depending on the manufacturer, you can choose between OLED, IPS, or matte professional displays in different sizes and resolutions. Some creators prefer OLED panels for their vibrant colors and true blacks, while others choose matte displays to reduce reflections during long editing sessions. Connectivity is also excellent on both platforms. High-end M5 MacBooks include Thunderbolt 5, offering up to 80 gigabits per second of bandwidth for fast external SSDs, docks, and professional monitors. Likewise, premium Intel Core Ultra laptops are now adopting Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7, making them equally capable when connecting modern accessories and high-speed networks. Battery life remains one of Apple's biggest advantages. The efficiency of Apple's ARM architecture allows M5 MacBooks to maintain impressive performance even while running on battery power. Whether you're editing video, exporting projects, or working remotely, performance stays remarkably consistent without dramatically reducing battery life. Intel has made major improvements with Core Ultra Series 3, and battery life is far better than older Intel generations. However, under heavy workloads like video rendering, AI processing, or long compilation tasks, Intel laptops generally consume more power and require charging sooner, especially models equipped with high-performance discrete GPUs. So, which one should you buy? If you're heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem, use Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or simply want the best balance of performance, battery life, and efficiency, the Apple M5 MacBook Pro is the clear winner. But if your workflow depends on Windows-exclusive software, x86 compatibility, engineering applications, or NVIDIA GPU acceleration, an Intel Core Ultra laptop is still the better fit. Ultimately, both are outstanding creator machines. It simply comes down to the software you rely on most. That's it for this comparison. Let us know which platform you'd choose and why. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.